So gonna do a little mountain biking today. Let me go over my setup real quick. Got 2 tires, some pedals, a frame, and some brakes. I don't know much about mountain biking, to be honest with you. So we're gonna hit the trails. Maybe I'll go over the handlebars. Got my awesome Pit Viper shades on. Here we go. Gonna get some mountain biking in. Let's get it.
The fire, with every breath I breathe you out. We just can't take it any higher. It's only fair we let each other go without. Oh, this is hard to admit. I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. Darling, this is it. Our time is up. We both knew it should never hurt this much. I don't want it to say it, but we've lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to hurt too much. I don't want it to say it, but we've lost touch. My heart can't take it any longer. This careless love is getting old. Let's face it, we're not getting younger. If all is said and done, it's time we let it go. Oh, this is hard to admit. I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. Darling, this is it. Our time is up. We both knew it shouldn't have hurt this much. I don't want it to say it, but we've lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to work too much. I don't want it to say it, but we've lost touch. So much for this love. Time to give it up. So much for this love. Wanted it too much, yeah, we wanted it too much. Our time is up. We both know it shouldn't have hurt this much. I don't want it to say it, but we've lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to hurt too much. I don't want it to say it, but we've lost touch. So much for this love. Time to give it up. So much for this love. Wanted it too much, yeah, we wanted it too much.
There you have it. A fun evening mountain biking in the Front Range, Colorado.